Okay, so this is my brand new product, the Frankenstein editing framework, and it has three rating, 5 stars already, and there are 42 downloads. But there is a follower on my X account say that there's no place to read or type, so I make this video as a quick instruction. So in this page you just name a fair price, maybe this zero, or maybe you can do one or two. Okay, so there is a person even buy this one for $5, you see, 2 days ago. So I'm really thankful for the person who trusted me and bought this one for $5. Okay, so if you trust me and like my work, I share on Twitter, you can click fair price 5 in here, type 5 in here. Okay, in this video I just type 0, click I want this. Okay, so this will be a test purchase as you are the creator of at least one of the products, because I use my email, but you can have your email in here. So as you can see, this kind of order, so you can even gift this one for a friend. Okay, so when I click get here, no, I can add the tip here. Okay, 0, and I click get. Okay, so let's wait a bit. Okay, verifying woman purchase, right? Okay, so this is the thing that that you can see. You can read the guide now. Okay, so normally in this session you have the review to write, so or the easiest way is to go to gumroad.com/reviews, so you can see all the products you have bought, and you can click the rating, write something here, or even you can do the video review. Okay, and you can post review here. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple. Okay, so I really hope that Domino can write this review, and if my dear virtual good friend watches, so please go to my X account here, and you click this one, and then add any number, 0 or maybe 5 or 1, 2 or anything, and please write me a review. It will help me a lot. There's as you can see already 3 reviews here. Okay, so thank you so much. So this is the breakdown that I work really hard on it. So I really hope that you enjoy it and give it 5 stars. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.